So to create a offline server using a Windows machine, we are going to be using a program called Etcher. This was called out by Michael Jennings often. I really appreciate the referral to this application. Super easy to use. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to download the PS Server zip file from the GitHub repository. The link to that will be in the description below. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to unzip that and put it into a folder. Just remember the name or where you unzipped it, where you stored it. Next, what you want to do is download this program called Etcher. And this is a free program that you can get. And I will also provide a link for the download of this down below. So you're going to download that and install it. Once that's installed, you launch it and then you choose Flash from File. You choose the disk image file that you have unzipped. So this is where you select where it's been saved. And then once that's complete, then you hit open. You make sure that the USB device is the SD card that you are interested in. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this is the SD card that I have inserted, which is the 8 GB SD card that I'm going to be using. So make sure you have the right one selected here. So you select that. And then you're going to choose Flash. Choose yes to when Windows pop-up happens. And then you'll see it go to starting. And then eventually you'll see it start writing the image or flashing the image to the SD card. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your computer and the speed of your SD card. But once this is done, you'll see it go from flashing to verifying, and then it will tell you the process is complete. All right, once the flash is complete, you'll see a notification, flash is complete, and then we're going to want to modify the Wi-Fi information. So you might find that when you open up your Windows Explorer that your drive is no longer there. So just go ahead and unplug it and plug it back in. And you should see it show up. We don't want to format it, but we should see it show up in your Windows Explorer here. Boot E is the one that I'm interested in. You can see these are all the files that were written to the drive or the SD card after that process. This is the one that we're interested in, WPA supplicant. So we're going to open this up with text editor. So if you choose open, it should open in a text editor, but you might have to select it. And this is what's inside this file. This here, SSID, this is the name of your current Wi-Fi in your house or wherever you're at. So you want to change it to your Wi-Fi name. So whatever you connect to, say with your phone or whatever, this is your Wi-Fi name. So you want to put that there. So you want to fill that in, and then you will want to fill in your Wi-Fi password here. So this is where you put in the password to connect to your Wi-Fi, whatever that may be, and then you're going to choose save. So once you save that, the file gets saved back to the SD card, and then you can right click on and just choose eject to it's currently in use because I have a file open, but that's fine. You can eject your your SD card, put it into your Raspberry Pi, and start it up. Once it gets started on your Raspberry Pi, you will see a new Wi-Fi network created called PicoBrew in all caps. And then on your Pico device, you will need to select that network, PicoBrew, and the password is all caps PicoBrew, and that will join your Pico device to your Raspberry Pi offline server. So I hope you've found this tutorial helpful, and happy brewing.